Case of a 20 years old boy complains of headache associated with intense nausea. This nausea is associated with eructations. The headache is located at the eyebrows and at one spot behind the ears. There is heaviness of the eyes. The pain is worse when he is sitting or when he bends down or while getting up from a lying position and talking. It is most intense if he shakes his head. Looking at the screen aggravates the pain at times. Lying position with closed eyes is comforting, so is pressure and after vomiting. He is not able to take draught of cold air as he feels cold and thirst for water has reduced. He relates to these problems because of exertion he had 2 days prior involved in taking his mother to do various investigations for COVID. So when we repertorize his symptoms, we get the following suggestions. Spigellia and Ipecac as most probable remedies. The concomitant of intense nausea made the choice in favor of Ipecac over Spigellia, even though Spigellia has a high polarity difference. He receives this remedy every 3 hourly, and within 24 hours the acute headache subsides and just some heaviness persists, and he is asked to stop the medicine. 3 days later he develops cough. It is a cough with expectoration, and he also complains of weakness. He is asked to get a COVID test done, but he denies. The modalities of the cough is that it is worse as soon as he lies in the bed. Talking makes it worse, and it is worse at night as soon as he is going to go to bed. He feels better if he has warm drinks or in a standing position and by movement. The residual symptoms of heaviness of the head were also taken into consideration, along with the symptoms of the cough, and the case was repertorized again using the polarity analysis software. On the second repertorization, the remedy that shows highest is arsenic album. He was asked to start arsenic album 200 every 3 hourly. Because he developed cough, he was asked to get a COVID test. Initially, for 3-4 days, there was a hesitation, but after a lot of counseling, he went ahead with the investigation. The COVID test comes positive, but till then, he was symptom free. A renowned intensivist from a reputed hospital who is known to me was consulted for any allopathic intervention. Because his symptoms subsided with homeopathic medicine, he was only given multivitamins. The cough settles in 3 days and there was a gradual recovery within a week. He was asked to isolate for 1 week more, and it has been 1.5 months since this episode, and he continues to do his routine work and is back to his normal life. This case demonstrates the effectivity of homeopathy in COVID cases. The reason for such quick result is because the patient was able to give clear symptoms to the homeopath. The secret of quick results with homeopathy lies in having a healthy partnership between the physician and the patient. The patients have to observe their symptoms accurately in terms of what makes their problem better or worse. And if they give a clear description of their symptoms, then the choice of homeopathic remedy and the result is faster. A patient needs to tell his homeopath what are the changes that have happened since the sickness has begun. For example, the patient might say that his thirst has reduced. Now he cannot tolerate light. Pressure on the painful part gives him relief, etc. To make this simple, I have made a chart of symptoms. All that a patient has to do is during the sickness go through that chart and mark only those symptoms that can either make his or her problem better or worse. If he is able to give anywhere between 8 to 16 symptoms, then the chances of recovery is 80%. So, my appeal to all patients of homeopathy is to observe your symptoms carefully and report to your homeopath, which will help you to get the desired results. Thank you for your time and attention. See you next time.